Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming basics, cable, input, and that the monitor is on. Once done, open Settings, go to System, then Display. You're looking for the Display Resolution dropdown. Choose the recommended setting to match the monitor's native pixels. Doing this first fixes most issues because Windows applies the panel's optimal timing. If multiple monitors exist, make sure you selected the correct display at the top before changing resolution so you don't misconfigure another screen. Once the basic resolution is set, make sure drivers aren't blocking accurate modes. Open Device Manager and update the display adapter or download the vendor driver. This resolves missing resolutions. Next, check scale and layout. Try 100, 125, or 150% if UI elements appear too large or blurry. If needed, open the Intel, NVIDIA, or AMD control panel to create a custom resolution or change refresh rate. This lets you match the monitor's native width. After making changes, click Apply and confirm the new display. Windows gives 15 seconds to accept changes, so be ready. Make sure to reboot after major driver updates. Test full-screen apps and games and set their internal resolution if they look off. If the problem persists, roll back the display driver or boot into safe mode to uninstall the problematic driver. And as a last resort use system, restore to a point before the issue started. This typically recovers a working display configuration.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.